Fisher net. Oh, it's a fucking... And you know what? It's not even a Galding walleye. It is a quillback. And it is hooked through the back. Or some type of tarp sucker. So then there's SMH for this beast. We're hooked up on an actual walleye. Here's a walleye. Good eater. So here's some video of me fishing this last weekend. I tried fishing really hard and I got a big old piece of humble pie this weekend. The only two fish I caught was that quillback and the walleye. I hadn't been fishing for a few weeks, so I didn't know what it was like, but I didn't find much. And I caught most of the fish trolling, but I also tried jigging and drifting with minnows in the river too, and that didn't seem to work with me, although I heard some other people caught some fish doing it. Anyways, I'm going to be doing more deer hunting this week, and I might go hunting again the next week, and I don't know how much more fishing I'll be doing before ice up, but we'll see. I'll probably post a video from deer hunting, a really crappy vlog, or show what I shot this weekend. So I'll see you on the next video.